Hello students, welcome to PLK Computer Sir YouTube channel. For more such video, you can log into www.youtube.com/PLK Computer Sir. Okay, in this tutorial video, we are going to discuss about introduction to HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. Full form of HTML is hypertext markup language, HTML. This language is used to prepare web pages which are used on the internet to exchange data and information. So main aim of HTML is to prepare web page, and through web page we can exchange our data and information from one computer to another. Tim Berners-Lee, who was a networking specialist at CERN, the Swiss Physics Research Institute in Geneva, Switzerland, developed HTML and HTTP in 1990. So, Tim Berners-Lee developed, okay, in 1990 HTML and HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. He wanted to introduce a simple language for the institute's researchers which would enable them to share and exchange their research works through the internet, because lots of engineers were working over there, scientists were working over there. What are the progress? Okay, to share with each other. He started to develop this HTML. History of HTML. HTML developed by Tim Berners-Lee was based on SGML, Standard Generalized Markup Language, an international standard for markup language. Okay, so this HTML is based on this one, SGML. After the development of HTML, web designers demanded more tools to make their document attractive, because slowly much more programmers, web developer started to use HTML, and they need to make the web page more attractive. In response to their demands, different companies started to develop non-standardized tools. Okay, according to company, according to country, coding was different. Okay, to control such activities and to maintain the same kind of standardization in HTML tools and structure, the web expert founded an organization named W3C, World Wide Web Consortium, in 1996. Okay, so this W3 is the organization, okay, who is making the HTML more standard and similar to work in everywhere in each country. Nowadays, W3C is maintaining the standard of HTML, including the use of presentation and structure. Okay, which type of presentation and structure, what type of HTML code we have to write, HTML tag we have to use. Okay, so this thing will be introduced by W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. The W3C is balancing the interest of the academy, web browser, and the technology. Okay, to the education purpose, similarly to the web browser like Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla, Firefox, etc. Okay, how it will work in all, as well as the technology, day by day technology is changing. If W3C were not maintaining this standard, the webs would not be as popular as it is today. Okay, so due to this W3C, this World Wide Web became so popular. Now HTML tags. Okay, this question is also good for examination point of view. So what is HTML tags? So tags are instructions that give signal to a browser that should do something other than throwing the text up on the screen. Okay, so only displaying the text on web page is not enough. Okay, we have to do much more action we have to perform on the text. Okay, so those action will be performed by the use of HTML tag. The tag of HTML control the structure of page, formatting of text, and links between different pages, etc. Okay, so how page will look, what are the characteristic and feature appearance of the text, and how link will work. So these activities will be controlled using the HTML tag. Tags are not case sensitive. It means uppercase tag and lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, anything we can use. Okay, so remember, like anything nowadays, if we log into any service, at that time password will be sensitive, case sensitive. It means capital H, small h. For password it will be different, but in HTML coding you can use either one, capital or uppercase. Similarly, lowercase you can use small alphabet, but I request you, whatever you will follow uppercase, then everywhere if you use uppercase in a tag, or if you are using smaller case or lowercase, then same thing, if you will use it will be better. But technically it won't make any difference, capital or small. HTML tags always begin with open angle brackets. Okay, this is open angle bracket, and end with close angle bracket. So within this open angle and close angle, tag will be we have to write. HTML tag can be grouped into two groups. They are pair tag and singular tag. So in HTML we have two types of tag, pair and singular tag. Now number A, pair tag. A tag is said to be pair tag if it is along with a companion tag, or it is written with opening and closing tag. So both there will be opening as well as closing. The effect of a pair tag is applied only to the text they contain. It is also called a container tag. So pair tag is also called container tag. Okay, what it will be syntax of pair tag? So beginning tag, okay, or opening tag, and the matter in which we have to give the effect, and after that we have to use closing tag. Okay, so opening, closing tag, words, keywords or alphabet will be similar, only difference in closing there will be a backward slash. Okay, for example, this is B bold tag, so bold text and closing, this is the opening, this is the closing, is a pair tag. So my dear students, this bold text only it will be bold. Okay, so because it is between the starting and closing tag, after that this is a pair tag, it won't be bold. Okay, so remember, if you have to give any effect, so those text should be in within the pair tag. Okay, so between the opening and closing, here B open and B close is a pair tag used to bold the text. Singular tag, another type of tag is a singular tag. It does not have a closing tag. Okay, in pair tag both there will be opening as well as closing, but in singular there will be only opening, there won't be any closing tag. It is also called an empty tag because there won't be any type of closing tag. Example of singular tag are BR and HR. So BR for line break, HR for horizontal ruler. Syntax, text, BR and text. Okay, so this text will come down in web browser. Example, this is a sample text BR. So here BR is a singular tag used to break a line, like after syntax example is coming. Okay, and similarly here also it is in next line. So in the next line, if you need to display in web browser, then we can use BR tag. Now basic tag, all HTML document must have three document label tag. Okay, so HTML, head, body. Okay, so head and body it will be inside HTML tag. So now the HTML tag, this tag surrounds the entire HTML document. So all HTML tag will be inside this HTML tag. It indicates the browser where the document begins and ends. So starting and ending of web page will be described by the HTML tag. The HTML tag is not visible on the HTML document when displayed by the browser. Okay, so it is non-display tag. It includes head and body. So there will be three types of tag: HTML head body. So head body will be inside HTML syntax, HTML start, opening tag, main content, okay, content of that document. After that, there will be closing of HTML tag. The head tag, this tag marks the beginning and ending of the heading section, okay, starting and ending. It contains information about the page, script. Head tag may contain title, base, meta, is index, etc. elements, okay, it will be elements. So the elements, so spelling error, my dear students, so we correct it. Most of the contents within the head section are not visible in the user's browser, but they are used to provide important information to the browser. For example, if you talk about meta tag, okay, so any keyword, like if you search about PLK computer sir in any search engine, so where PLK sir YouTube channel, PLK sir Insta, PLK sir Facebook, PLK sir blog, okay, all those item will be listed, because in here section, within here in meta I have used the keywords PLK computer sir, okay. In that way, the content of the title element is displayed on the browser's title bar, okay. So the title content, it will be displayed in browser, okay. In during practical session I will show you, okay. So syntax of a tag is head title, title close, head close. So title will be inside the head tag. Now the title tag, this tag appears between head tag, okay, between head, title will be located. This tag is used to type the title of a HTML document, which is displayed on the title bar. The title does not affect the text of the document. It does not accept any attributes, okay. So without attributes we have to use, okay. So syntax title, text for title, and title close. This is a title open tag and title close tag. For example, title introduction to Nepal, okay. So this introduction to Nepal, it will display in the web browser's title bar. The body tag, this tag is used for the main body of the HTML document. This tag contains text, images, links, etc., which are required to display by the browser. Syntax body open, body close, and all the item will be we have to write within this body tag. Attributes are other properties of tags which are used to provide additional information to the browser, okay, to make the HTML tag more attractive. So we can use the attributes, it will provide the additional information. Different tags support different attributes, okay. So for example, attributes of body tag are given below. For example, BGColor, it is used to change color by specifying a color by name or its equivalent hexadecimal number, okay. Later I will teach you how to make the hexadecimal number of color, okay. So background color, it will be changed. Similarly, background, it is specify the name of the GIF or JPG or BMP file that will be used as the background of the document. So background image, it will be for the image we have to use background. For background color we have to use BGColor with no space, remember, okay. Many students will like BG space color, that will be mistake. Text, so it changes the body text color specified with the attribute. So which color you want to text, so this is black color, this is a red color, okay, like that. So text left margin, it allows to set the left margin of the document, okay. So left side margin, text margin will be set by this text left margin. Similarly, sorry, it should be here left margin only, this is the mistake one, okay. So this text I have written here should be left margin only, okay student, this is also mistake. So remember, this is left margin only here, so it allows to set the left margin of the document. Top margin, it allows to set the top margin of the document. So this is the top and this is the left margin. Okay, I'm my apologies students. So this text is additional here. So here, okay, this will be only here left margin, not this text. Color code RGBColor. The background color of the document can be specified using the color name or color code. So by color name also or color code. So color code will be in the form of RGBColor. Okay. So R for red, G for green, V for blue. The color code can be mentioned using hexadecimal value. Okay. So in hexadecimal, smallest number is 0 and the maximum number, biggest number is F. Okay, so we have some color code. So remember, if it is white, so there will be 6F. Okay, so F. So RGBB all high value, it will make the white. If you have to make blue, okay, so remember for blue, red 00, green 00, but for blue highest value in hexadecimal, so F is the highest value. Similarly for yellow, FF00. So red green, if you will combine, it will make a yellow. For black, all red green blue, all it will be 0. So 6 alphanumeric alphabet digit there will be. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. For red, we have to make F highest value to the red, and green blue will make 0000. For green, red 0, green FF, blue 00. Similarly for gray, C0. For maroon, 8E236B, orange FF 7F00, violet 4F 2F 4F, silver E6 E8FA, pink B6 8F 8F, gold CD 7F32, brown A62 A82, cyan 00FF. Okay, so for the green blue, if you combine, cyan color will be made. Okay, so this is the sample color. Many colors you can make by changing this value. Okay, so red, green, blue in double digit, 2 digit it will be. Basic structure of HTML document. This is also good question for examination point of view. So answer is there will be 3 HTML tags. So HTML, similarly head and body. Okay, so head and body will be inside the HTML. So HTML tag open, HTML tag close at last. This is the opening of document, HTML document. This is the closing of the document. Okay, inside that head. Okay, inside head we have to use title. So text for title tag close, then head close. Now body will start. So main item, text and other tags for your page will write here. So dot I am writing here. After that we have to close the body, and finally HTML is closed. Okay, so how to start Notepad? This is the last thing of this video. So we have 2 method. Okay, so method 1, we have to type Notepad in search box. You will get Notepad, click on that. Second method, press Windows key plus R for run box, and we have to type Notepad in the run box, and if you will press enter, then it will be displayed on that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you this one, how it will come. Okay, my dear student. So at first, number 1, okay, so start. What we have to type here, we have to type Notepad. If you type Notepad, my dear students, here is the Notepad. Okay, click on that. In this way we can open the Notepad. Okay, similarly another method is the run box. Okay, so run box, if you type here Notepad, it will come. Okay, so how to make a run box? For that I will teach you OSK, on screen keyboard. Okay, so on a screen keyboard, if you press this Windows and R together, okay, first Windows then R, this will come. Okay, so you have to write the Notepad, Notepad. Okay, check the spelling, so you will get this one. Okay, my dear students. Okay, so Notepad. So this much for. Okay, thank you very much for watching. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe PLK Computer Sir. You can log in to www.youtube.com/plk computer sir. Okay, if you are www.youtube.com/plk computer sir, more videos. Thank you very much for watching.